Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is RAFIQ and I am going to teach you percentage topic. So friends, read this question very carefully and try to understand. The question is, the population of a town is 1,26,800 if increased by 15% in the first year and decreased by 20% in the second year. What is the population of the town at the end of 2 years? So our target to find what is the population of in the 2 years. What is the initially population? Initially population is 1,26,800. Increase in first year 15% of this population 1,26,800, right? Percent means by 100, so percent and 00 gets cancelled, right? So 15 into 8 will be 120, remaining is 12. 15 into 6 19, 19 plus 12 102, so 2 here and remaining is 10. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 10 will be 40, 0, remaining is 4. 15 on the 15 and 4 19, so increase first year increase 19,020, right? So after increase the population will be 1,26,800 plus 19,020, so 0 0 0 0 2 2 0 and 8 8, 9 plus 6 is 15 and 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 4 and 1. So in first year population is 1,45,820. Now second year decrease is second year 20% of this population 820, so percent means by 100, right? 10 and 10 gets cancelled, 00 and gets cancelled, right? So here will be 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 into 8 will be 16, 6, remaining is 1. 5 into 2 will be 10 and 1 11, right? 4 into 2 will be 8 and 1 9. Now 1 into 2 will be 2, so decrease 29,160, so 1,45,820 minus 29160, so it will be 0. 12 minus 6 will be 6, here 7, right? Sorry, 6, here will be 6 because 7 minus 1 is 6. Now here is 15, so here will be 9. Now this is 2, so here is 3, so here will be 1 and 1, so 1,19,660 in of second year. So this is the our answer, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.